Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad ke Sangma hak step jangka shipoteri Kuala Lingkot Araja Arpusan ulawan ban Plie Pyrda ke Jingrakhe dap shi spa Snem ke Shnong Chutwakhu West Giant Hills District hak jingi dan lang ubak sneau bahalang dahar usumbut Menteri Rangba ubak dipek Iketrat Urban Affairs ubak Wailat Miki Shilak MLA ke Jowai ubak Lakman Rumboy MLA ke Amlarem. Dak berpertui ke jing nok senyang ki nong seng ke Shnong Chutwakhu Menteri Rangba ulai ku blai ke dor bar Shnong hak ni ke jing dap shi spa Snem ke bapen I ke jing kiu jong ke ni ke Shnong habarok kiliang. Menteri Rangba haba ai jing kran ula ongru ba ke jing scam ke jela Megalaya ke dei hak Shnong ki thau bat kum ta don kam bah ke jing trailang bat ke sarkar. Konrad ula kran ru halor ke jing pen kre ke Megalaya games hajowai hak ba ula ong ba ke sarkar kala shim khia ban pen biang ya ki jakai lekai ki ban long ke jing mentoy ya ki samla ke jela. Hakani ke jing yalang Menteri Rangba ula IT mar Shilak tingka ke song pisa syaki arpuai Tylli ki club bat ki association ki bahap hak jing pet ke West Giant Hills District Sports Association hak jing pen kre ya ke Megalaya games.
It gives me immense joy to be here amidst each one of you as we celebrate 100 years of Chutwakhu locality. Friends, this is indeed a red letter day for the people of the locality as we celebrate this huge milestone. On this day, we pay our respects to the founders of this locality for their service and their sacrifice. We especially remember the stalwarts of this locality like Ma O.H. Rees, Ma Lomiwel Shilak, and Ma Pelikstone Rembai, among others. This locality is rich in history, and it's one amongst the first to recognize the role of women in building our society. As early as April 1931, the locality leaders decided that women should be given the opportunity to take part in various activities within the locality. This is indeed heartening. We would like to share with you that as of today, we have many women-led self-help groups in Megalaya, and most of them are doing a tremendous work. And this locality had, in a way, laid the foundation for these activities to happen today. Similarly, the locality had given space to the youth as early as 1934, when the youth organization of the locality was formed. This cooperation between men, women, and the youth is what gives strength to our state even today. We all have to work in tandem for the good of everyone. Over the years, this locality is proud to have produced citizens who became church pastors, doctors, lawyers, dramatists, footballers, and many others. Friends, this locality indeed is progressive. Since 1990s, it has formed committees on education, counseling, finance, music, and arts and culture. The purpose of these committees was to look after the proper functioning of the education sector, counsel the people of the locality on their behaviors, oversee the finances of the locality, identify and promote music talent, and preserve culture and tradition. Friends, I would also like to utilize this platform to call upon the community as a whole to work together with the government in promoting development activities. I also am very happy to see the preparations that are going on for the Megalaya Games. This is indeed a historic moment for Jowai and for Gente Hills. There is a reason why we have always made sure that the games must rotate to different parts of the state and not be confined to one particular location. We would like to see that there is a strong integration between the different communities of our state. Today, our youth from Garo Hills and different parts of Khasi Hills will be coming and spending time with the people of Gente Hills and Jowai. Maybe it will be for the first time that they will be coming to Jowai. It will be a beautiful occasion to exchange our cultures, understand our cultures, work together in harmony, and what better way than to bring people together than through sports. And that is the reason why today we are investing in our youth. The money we will spend for the Meghalaya Games will reap benefits for years to come. That if your vision is for 1 year, plant seeds. If your vision is for 10 years, plant trees. But if your vision is for eternity, plant people. We are investing in our youth because we are looking at the future of our state. And I'm very happy to see the kind of work that our headman, who is also the chairman of the municipal board, our local MLA, Mawaila, and the entire administration and department and the community as a whole has done to ensure that they leave no stone unturned to make these games one of the best games that not just this region, but the state as a whole will come to see. So I wish these games the very best. I also would like to give a small contribution to the different associations. I know there are about 21 active associations of different sports here in West Gente Hills, and you'll have a lot of expenditure trying to organize the different games. I may not be able to give much from my side, but I'm contributing 1 lakh rupees to each of the associations. There are 21 of them, so there's a 21 lakh rupees checks are here in my hand. I would like to hand this over to our local MLA, Mawaila Miki Shilak, so that he can further give these checks to the different associations so that they can prepare for the coming Megalaya Games. With these few words, once again, I wish all of you the very best on this very, very momentous occasion of 100-year centenary celebration. And with these few words, I also declare the next 1 year celebration as open and wish the community, the people, and this program and this celebration the very best. Thank you very much. Plie, Matela, and Jai Hind.
Iman kermangkon dari dong jinjang habatin pej bahagi kishap kashap plus F
Ka plus F?
hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bada ka batau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi panai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya